Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to watch ShortMax series for free using the latest and the official methods from the 2025 update. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for shortmax.tv. Once you are over here, you need to click on the download option and you can download the application from Google Play Store or App Store very easily. Then you just have to simply create your account over here. With the latest update, ShortMax now has a dedicated free to watch section. You will find all of the selected episodes and sometimes the full series available without any subscription. You just have to look for the free badge when you are browsing. The second thing that you can do is you can simply take advantage of any free trials if they are offering it. So ShortMax often offers 7 or 14-day free trials for the new users. This actually let you stream the premium content at no cost for a limited time. Just set the reminder if you plan to cancel before it renews. In some regions, you can watch the content of ShortMax with the help of the ad-based viewing, meaning that you can watch the selected shows completely free by watching a few short ads. So always use the official applications and websites, and do not use any kind of unofficial streaming links or any kind of unofficial apps. These are risky for your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.